The Panchayati Raj system was first introduced in which state of India? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Kerala. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer: A. Rajasthan. The Panchayati Raj system was first introduced in Rajasthan on October 2, 1959, in Nagaur district. Which Constitutional Amendment Act gave constitutional status to the Panchayati Raj system? A. 72nd Amendment Act. B. 73rd Amendment Act. C. 74th Amendment Act. D. 75th Amendment Act. Answer: B. 73rd Amendment Act. The 73rd Amendment Act of 1992 provided constitutional status to the Panchayati Raj institutions in India. The Panchayati Raj system is based on which of the following principles? A. Decentralization. B. Centralization. C. Federalism. D. Unitary system. Answer: A. Decentralization. The Panchayati Raj system is based on the principle of decentralization, where power is distributed to local bodies. How many tiers are there in the Panchayati Raj system? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer: C. 3. The Panchayati Raj system has a three-tier structure: Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level, and Zilla Parishad at the district level. Who is known as the father of the Panchayati Raj system in India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Balwant Rai Mehta. D. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer: C. Balwant Rai Mehta. Balwant Rai Mehta is known as the father of the Panchayati Raj system in India for his recommendations in the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee report of 1957. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with Panchayati Raj? A. 9th Schedule. B. 11th Schedule. C. 10th Schedule. D. 12th Schedule. Answer: B. 11th Schedule. The 11th Schedule of the Indian Constitution lists 29 subjects under the Panchayati Raj institutions. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of panchayats? A. Article 40. B. Article 243. C. Article 356. D. Article 370. Answer: A. Article 40. Article 40 of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment and structure of panchayats. The Panchayat Samiti is at which level of the Panchayati Raj system? A. Village level. B. Block level. C. District level. D. State level. Answer: B. Block level. The Panchayat Samiti functions at the block level in the Panchayati Raj system. What is the minimum age for contesting elections to the panchayats? A. 18 years. B. 21 years. C. 25 years. D. 30 years. Answer: B. 21 years. The minimum age for contesting panchayat elections is 21 years, according to the 73rd Constitutional Amendment. The Gram Sabha consists of which of the following? A. Elected members of the Gram Panchayat. B. All the adult citizens of the village. C. Village head and officers. D. Only male residents of the village. Answer: B. All the adult citizens of the village. The Gram Sabha consists of all adult citizens, 18 years and above, living in the village. Who chairs the meetings of the Gram Panchayat? A. Sarpanch. B. Block Development Officer. C. District Collector. D. Talukdar. Answer: A. Sarpanch. The Sarpanch, elected by the members of the village, chairs the meetings of the Gram Panchayat. What is the tenure of a panchayat as per the constitution? A. 3 years. B. 4 years. C. 5 years. D. 6 years. Answer: C. 5 years. As per Article 243E, the tenure of a panchayat is 5 years from the date of its first meeting. Which of the following committees recommended the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? A. Sarkaria Commission. B. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. C. Ashok Mehta Committee. D. Kothari Commission. Answer: B. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, 1957, recommended the establishment of a three-tier Panchayati Raj system. Who is responsible for auditing the accounts of panchayats? A. State Finance Commission. B. Controller and Auditor General. C. Local Audit Department. D. Panchayat Secretary. Answer: B. Controller and Auditor General. Controller and Auditor General is responsible for auditing the accounts of panchayats. The Panchayati Raj system was established to promote which of the following? A. Bureaucratic control. B. Democratic decentralization. C. Centralized planning. D. Judicial reforms. Answer: B. Democratic decentralization. The Panchayati Raj system was established to promote democratic decentralization and empower local governance. Who appoints the State Election Commissioner in India? A. President of India. B. Chief Justice of India. C. Governor of the state. D. Chief Minister of the state. Answer: C. Governor of the state. The Governor of the state appoints the State Election Commissioner, who is responsible for conducting panchayat elections. Which level of Panchayati Raj institution handles matters related to primary education? A. Gram Panchayat. B. Panchayat Samiti. C. Zilla Parishad. D. State Government. Answer: C. Zilla Parishad. Zilla Parishad, the district level body, handles matters related to primary education, healthcare, and infrastructure. The reservation of seats for women in Panchayati Raj institutions as per the 73rd Amendment Act. A. 33%. B. 25%. C. 50%. D. 10%. Answer: A. 33%. As per the 73rd Amendment Act 1992, at least 33% of the seats in Panchayati Raj institutions are reserved for women.